Hello and good evening, guys. There is a person unknown to call me. I think it is Hammer. They are scammer, and the number, if they call you at 0888, that is scammer. Do not answer the call. That is the scammer. If you don't talk to them, and if you don't want to be victim of that scammer, kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga number na yan, sa 0888, sa scammer na yan. Kapag tumawag siya sa inyo, ipapulis nyo kaagad siya, isumbong nyo sa NBI, kasuhan nyo kaagad, ha. Tandaan yung number nyo, 0888. Kapag may tumawag dyan, sabihan nyo, i-trace nyo ang number niya o saan siya, i-report nyo sa police at sa NBI para kasuhan siya kaagad ng scamming, ha. Huwag nyo kalimutan niya ng number na yan. Don't forget that number, that's 0888, and he is the scammer, and he is a lot of victim of here in the Philippines with that number. And never answer that call, and if you answer that call, tell him don't try to call you again, and if they try to call you again, and call the NBI and police and trace him who he is, so that he can arrest and file him a suitcase and put him a jail. Yan lang po, tandaan nyo, tandaan yung number niyan, 0888. Huwag nyo sagutin o sagutin nyo, sabihan nyo, kasuhan nyo siya kapag hindi siya tumitigil sa kanyang ginagawa. That's all.